Hey folks, so we all know that resin fumes are nasty little things that live in the air when we're crafting. So Resiners asked us if we would like to review their new air purifier Lite. And of course we said yes, we'd love to. But what we want to know is it as good as their big one? It's the bigger one that we reviewed. Oh,
it's been a while now.
Crikey, well over a year ago, isn't it? Yeah. So I'll leave a link to our big Pure Air review.
Yeah.
And we'll have a go and see what this is like. Is it different? Does it work? Or is it just a fancy desk fan? Let's see.
Is it a fancy desk fan?
Well, I don't know. Let's see.
Okay.
No, for transparency, I actually know very little about this because when they brought it out, I thought to myself, well, we've already got one, so I don't really, I don't need another one. I don't need another one, but trust me, we're going to use it.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
So,
manual, I will give that to you.
So, yep, you get a manual. If I do it in here. So it's a nice thin manual, not War and Peace, which I always like. It only has the English language by the looks of it.
Yeah. Nice 3-pin plug.
Perfect.
Oh.
What you oohing at?
Oh.
What you oohing at?
Oh.
There's an ooh going on.
There is an
concerned.
Wow, this is going to...
So one thing I always say about Resiners is they package their stuff really well.
Oh, yeah, it's really well packaged.
Yeah.
It's not that. It's pink.
What? Okay. My first impression is it's pink.
Yeah.
Is it pink? No, it's not pink. It's more of a blush. We're going to call that blush. We're not calling it pink.
Okay.
It's a blush.
So compared to the proper one,
yeah,
they're pretty much the same size.
Why don't you move this one across?
I could do that.
That would make more sense.
It would do.
Yeah.
This one's going off.
It is going off.
It's not because we've done anything. I suspect it's because
the window's wide open and it's pollen and things. So one thing that I would say about the Resiners Purair is it does have, it is a HEPA filter. So it will also pick up things like pollen and dust particles in the air. So like today, it's a pretty high pollen count and it has been randomly going on, off, on, off, on, off. It's not a fault of the machine. It is just it's picking up little particles in the air.
It is. Okay. So it's got...
So it's quite a bit shorter, isn't it?
It hasn't got the stand, if you notice.
But if you just hold it up a little bit so it's equal with the bottom of that one. So it's pretty much the same size, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a standless. What's the bottom of that one like? What does it look like on the bottom?
I will let you know momentarily.
So you've got these sort of
little rubber feet.
Little rubber feet. So that's good.
So you've got little rubber feet instead of a stand.
Fancy stand. Yeah.
And then on the side here, you've got the lock and unlock.
Which is the same as on the large.
It is.
Yeah.
And the power is in the middle of the back on this one, whereas this one, it goes up at the bottom.
Okay.
And I suspect it should have.
Yeah, there it is.
A filter.
So it uses exactly the same filter, doesn't it?
Yes.
So one of the things that makes this purifier very what's the word I'm looking for? Very effective is the fact that Resiners have actually patented the technology that it doesn't just take the VOCs out of the air, it actually breaks them down in that filter.
Yes.
They've done something that obviously they're not going to tell us what they've done because it's a patent, but patent,
and
patent.
it has been tested as well against resin VOC specifically.
Yes, and when we tested this machine, I'm pressing buttons. When we tested this machine well over a year ago when we first got it, we were, I wouldn't say skeptical, but we were intrigued as to exactly what, because it was considerably more expensive than just a bulk standard filter.
Yep.
So we went into a lot of detail about how why is it so much more expensive, and Resiners, we had a lot of conversation with Resiners about their testing.
Yep.
And they sent us a whole heap of stuff on all of their testing results and things. It was really, really fascinating.
One thing I would say as well is taking the bottom off to change the filter.
Yeah.
This one, you take this top off.
Yeah.
And then the filter's here, and there's a cable that runs down. So when you put it back together, you have to put the cable in first, and it is a little fiddly.
Okay.
Whereas this one, the power is right at the back.
Yeah.
There's literally nothing.
Okay, so this, although it's the Purair Lite, in some ways they've actually improved on the design of this one, would you say? Because I know that wire annoys you.
It's not annoying, it's just fiddly.
Fiddly, yeah.
Yeah. Whereas this one is literally just put it together on there.
Pop it in and click.
And then turn it. It's the same, exactly the same.
Except for where this wire goes.
Except for where the wire goes.
I mean, what I would say is if you find something fiddly, if you are anything like me and you suffer from, your hands being sore, your fingers not always moving in the direction you'd like them to, then this is definitely a big improvement. You don't have to fiddle with that wire, which is really good.
Yeah.
Because it was one of the feedback things that we gave at the time. I'm not saying they changed it because we said. I'm just saying it was, if we had that feedback, I'm sure that lots of other people people have as well.
And unlike last time, I am prepared with a plug.
Yeah, look at this.
I can just plug it in.
Look at this.
Okay, so let's plug that in. Now there are a couple of features on the old one or the full one that aren't on the little one. Yeah. Oh. So there you go. So this one, it doesn't have the humidity or the temperature. All it does is the VOCs. So as you can see on here, you've got just the VOC, whereas this one, no, you can see it on there. Yeah, yeah. Whereas this one's got the temperature and the humidity, and this one does not.
I'm just going to turn that. I set the clock. Oh,
what are you doing?
I went straight past it. There you go. Done.
Have you finished fiddling?
I finished fiddling. Yes, okay. Please continue.
So, if we put that on auto, and we'll see whether this one actually picks up
whatever this one's picking up.
Yeah. That's off. That's on. Okay. And then you got the fan. Is that okay? So fan or auto. So if we leave it on auto.
Yeah. Whereas this one's got speeds.
No, it has got speeds.
Has it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Show this.
So you got speeds. So you got level 1,
level
2, 3.
Yeah.
And then auto.
And auto. Okay.
Between the two, we don't use the temperature or the humidity.
I was going to move on to those sorts of things. If you'd like to just wait.
Okay.
Thank you. Right. In terms of colour of machine.
Yes.
Now, this might not matter to everybody, but some people are.
You mean you?
No, I'm not the only person that likes things to be coordinated, I'm sure.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
This is the Resiners green. So this is their brand green.
It is.
Plus dirt. Yeah?
Yeah.
This is a whole new colour for them. I don't know anything else they do in this colour.
No, but maybe because it's a light version.
But I'm thinking, I actually prefer this.
Do you?
I do, because no matter what colour you have all of your craft room in.
Yeah.
This is a bit more subtle.
Okay.
And some people don't have a craft room at all. What they have is the corner of their kitchen or corner of their dining room.
Yeah.
And they're not going to want to lump this around all over the place. So they're just going to want to put something in their craft area.
Okay.
And leave it there. And this is a lot less in your face.
Okay.
It's just a nice...
It just blends in into the background.
Yeah, it blends a bit more. It's not quite so, here's a big crafting tool. Do you see what I mean?
To be fair, this is quite... it does draw your eye.
It does, yeah. And I'm saying that this doesn't. So I actually really, really like this design.
Yeah.
You can't really see the red... One thing I would say is the red light doesn't seem to be as...
Well, it's because it's not on red. It's just wearing away normally.
It should flick off.
So you've just sprayed some isopropyl alcohol.
Yeah.
So it should, in theory,
it should whiz it up massively. Because there's nothing else in here taking it out of the air. Oh no! Wait, I didn't. I sprayed my soapy water.
I'd be concerned if you sprayed soapy water and it set that off.
Look, soapy water. Oh dear. Right, let's
try some
actual alcohol.
Yes. Oh.
There we go. Straight away.
Yeah, you can't really see. It's not.
You can't.
Is there a?
Maybe there isn't a light.
I can't actually see.
No, there isn't a light. No. I don't think. Well, there you go. There's no light.
Well, there you go.
But that doesn't. To be honest, that doesn't matter to me. It's not something I ever worry about anyway.
No.
You can generally tell where it's on because you can hear the fan. If you have it on auto, which we
always do.
For us personally, we always have it on auto, don't we?
Yep.
So the minute you have something go into the air that's not favourable, the fan immediately kicks off, and you're like, okay, don't breathe.
Well, no, it says.
No, I'm joking.
It says you can breathe, just slowly. Just let me sort this out for you.
Yeah.
I've got your back.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's clearing it quite quickly.
It'd be interesting to see which one clears it fastest. Although it's probably not a fair test because this filter it's coming up towards the end of its life now, isn't it? It's about I think we've got a couple of 100 hours left, not a lot. Whereas this is a brand spanking new. I know it should still
be effective.
It should be, but to be perfectly scientific, it needs to be completely like for like. Okay. But we'll do it anyway, just to see.
But that's getting rid of it quite quickly.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same size, so it's drawing in the same amount of air, both of them. So they should, in theory.
I agree, and I think, to be quite honest with you, if you want to know the temperature of your craft room, stick a thermometer up.
Yeah.
To
be honest, I've never looked at that and thought. I've never looked at the temperature or the humidity.
No, not once. Never.
No. I walk in here sometimes go, oh, that's warm, and then put the aircon on.
Yeah.
But No,
it's not. I don't think in our long roundabout way of saying it, we don't feel that it's a function you will miss.
No.
So we've been using the Pure Air for 2 weeks now.
It has been 2 weeks, yeah.
Yeah. So what we actually did is we removed our Pure Air, our normal Pure Air, and we replaced it in full with the Pure Air Lite. And we wanted to see if there was any difference in sort of the smell.
Yeah.
If we missed the Pure Air, the normal Pure Air.
If we noticed it going off more or less, or to be fair, it just works.
It just works.
Works in the background.
Yeah. So it is a little bit cheaper. It is a little bit smaller. It's designed to have to work with to a smaller space.
Yeah, it's designed for a smaller space.
Yeah. But I would say, yeah, I'd have no problem recommending it. It's a really good bit of kit.
I mean, our room's quite big.
Yeah.
And there are two of us working sometimes
at
the same time.
Yeah, so we have, for our room and our setup, we have put the normal pure air back because it's designed for a bigger area.
Yeah.
But that pure air I'm actually going to put into the next room because I put a lot of, once things are cured, as in demolded, I put a lot of things next door to completely cure before they go out the door. And I'm going to put that in there because I do sometimes go in that room and smell curing resin or cured resin. So we're going to put it in there and it's going to be really nice. And that's a much smaller space.
Yeah. And maybe we'll give another update.
Yeah. And see if that cures that particular problem.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a really, really good piece of kit. There is a discount code in the description if you are interested. Obviously, it's an affiliate code, so we do make a couple of pennies when you buy it.
Makes no difference,
but you don't pay any extra.
No.
That's what they say.
It is.
It is.
That's because it's true.
So if you do buy one, or
if you've got one,
let us know in the comments what you think, because I think it's a really good
I think it's awesome.
And I also genuinely like the fact it's a very neutral colour. So if you are someone that does crafting in the corner of your living room, for example, it's perfect because it's not, you don't have to, pull everything away. So on that note, we will leave you.
Yeah.
If you've liked this video and you found it helpful, please do give us a like.
Yeah.
And whilst you're down there, feel free to hype and subscribe.
And if you already have, thank you very much.
And hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye for now.
Bye for now.